Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another enlightening episode of The Moses Show. Tonight, we delve into the tumultuous history of Haiti and its defining moment, the Haitian Revolution. Join me as we uncover how this pivotal event shaped the identity of this nation. The Haitian Revolution and its impact on the country's identity. The Haitian Revolution, 1791 to 1804, was a seminal event in world history, as it marked the first and only successful slave revolt that resulted in the establishment of an independent nation led by former slaves. The revolution took place in the French colony of Saint-Domingue, which later became the independent Republic of Haiti. The impact of the Haitian Revolution on the country's identity was profound and multifaceted. End of slavery and independence. The most significant outcome of the Haitian Revolution was the abolition of slavery and the establishment of Haiti as an independent nation in 1804. The enslaved population, predominantly of African descent, successfully fought against French colonial rule, creating a free black republic in the process. This achievement was a powerful statement against the institution of slavery and had a lasting impact on Haiti's national identity. Cultural fusion. The revolution was characterized by a blend of African, European, and indigenous cultures. The diverse backgrounds of the rebels contributed to a unique and rich cultural heritage that became an integral part of Haiti's identity. Elements such as Vodou, a syncretic religion combining African and Catholic traditions, played a significant role in shaping the cultural identity of the newly independent nation. Defiance against colonial powers. Haiti's successful revolt against one of the most powerful colonial empires of the time challenged the prevailing notions of racial hierarchy and colonial dominance. The Haitian Revolution inspired other oppressed groups around the world to resist colonial rule and fight for their own independence, contributing to the broader movement for self-determination and the end of imperialism. Economic challenges. While gaining independence was a monumental achievement, the aftermath of the revolution presented significant economic challenges for Haiti. The country was left devastated by years of conflict, and international powers, including France, imposed economic sanctions on Haiti in retaliation for its bid for freedom. These challenges had a lasting impact on Haiti's economic development and contributed to its struggles in the following centuries. Legacy of resilience. The Haitian Revolution instilled a sense of resilience and pride in the face of adversity. The Haitian people's ability to overcome immense odds and achieve independence against powerful foes became a source of national pride and identity. However, Haiti also faced isolation and challenges in the international community, with repercussions that continue to shape the country's identity and relationships with other nations. In summary, the Haitian Revolution had a profound impact on the country's identity by ending slavery, shaping a unique cultural fusion, inspiring global movements for independence, and leaving a legacy of resilience. Despite the ongoing challenges faced by Haiti, the revolution remains a symbol of triumph over oppression and a crucial chapter in the history of human rights and self-determination.